I'm back and I got a huge DVD bolo for you. Hey guys, Steve from Resale Dojo back, and I did promise you a huge DVD bolo, and nothing gets bigger than the one, the only Godzilla. Now, just yesterday when I was at the thrift stores, I was hitting, I think, 8 in a day. I got lucky at one of them, and someone had put out a bunch of anime, but also like a dozen Godzilla DVDs, and I want to share those with you because I have sold these many times in the past. Anytime I find them for cheap, I make sure to grab them because they're always worth some money for me. First, I want to start with these. There is actually a 4 DVD set that these belong to. You'll see like the yellow stripe at the top. You'll see the artwork where it's like Godzilla here. This is Godzilla Revenge, and it's got like nice green coloring around. This one is Rodan. I'm going to mess up names, so hopefully I get it right. Rodan. And it's got purple around, but you're gonna find 4 of these that go into a set, but these also sell well individually. Rodan goes for about 25, Godzilla's Revenge goes for about 13 to 15. Usually if I find all 4 of them, I lot them up and put them in the set that they're supposed to be in and get like 40 to 50. So pretty good returns on just ones that you usually get for like $1 or $2. A few other different types of Godzilla ones I wanted to highlight are like Destroy All Monsters. These are War of the Monsters. For these, Destroy All Monsters goes for about 20. War of the Monsters goes for about 10. So I'll probably just put them together and get 30 for them because I think I will not lose any value lotting them up. Even like one-offs like this, like Godzilla Final Wars, this one will go for about 13 for me. And what I'll try to do is find any of them I could get, and if it's like under about 20 bucks, I'll try to lot them together because those usually sell really quick for me. And the last type that I want to show you guys are the Versus series. There are a ton of Godzilla versus something, right? We just watched like the latest movie out there was like Godzilla versus King Kong, and then it turned into, oh, I'm not gonna give you spoilers, but there are a ton of Godzilla versus some other mighty monster, and they go for pretty good money. Out of all the Versus ones, they do really well, but some of them are a little bit lower. Like these 2 here, one goes for 10, other goes for 15, so those will be lotted up in like a $25 lot. Godzilla versus Megalon goes for 20. Godzilla versus Hedorah, I have no idea if that's how you say it, goes for 25 to 30. Godzilla versus Gigan goes for about 30. The best one I found was Godzilla versus Biollante. It actually went for $85 in an auction just a day ago. Normally, I think I could get like $50 to $60 for it, but this is like the best one out of the Versus I've ever found. I have actually found this one on Blu-ray, and I sold it like 6 months, maybe 9 months ago, and went for $175, and that was brand new Blu-ray of that Versus DVD. Well, I went and checked up the Blu-rays just recently, and that movie is going for like $300 or $350 new. So anytime you see Blu-rays of Godzillas, make sure you check them because there are some crazy prices right now going out there. The Godzilla hype is real. Make sure you keep an eye out for them. If you see them in Blu-ray or DVD, pick them up, check them, see what the comps are going for, and make that mega money. And thanks again for joining me on this DVD video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.